Hi, everyone. I recently was playing with Spotter, our AI data analyst from ThoughtSpot. So, Spotter is a very simple UI. You can ask a question in natural language, and it'll take your question and give you answers very quickly. It'll give you a quick glimpse of what sort of data is in this data set. So, campaign performance, revenue, pipeline analysis, funnel metrics, segmentation analysis, time-based trends, lead quality. So these are just a sampling, and I focused it only on marketing, but you can ask about HR, engineering, sales, anything that is housed in your data warehouse. And of course, it's governed, so not everyone can get access to anything, but it will allow you to administer it based on the policies that you put in. Driving, whether it's leads, pipeline, however you want to organize it. And then you need to look at what of those leads that came over converted into meetings. And so that's not straightforward. So probably as a head of marketing, I won't usually have time to do that, but I would ask my smart analyst to do it. And then it'll be either within 24 hours or it could be even a few days, because sometimes what I ask and then it says, let me fetch this data. So it's running Python me channel traffic analysis as well as conversion and then key findings. And then it's telling me where my top focus is, strategic insights. So this is not just what happened, it's why it's happening. And then it's giving me a recommendation. It's telling me to scale, it's telling me to optimize. And then it's even asking me, would you like me to dig deeper into specific channels? So I'm having conversations back and forth with it like I would with an analyst. So I'm going to show you another example. This one is about the funnel. So it's a little bit more complex. It says compare the funnel metrics, conversion rate, velocity, ACV between new customer versus existing, and which one moves faster and converts better. So this is not a single question, it's actually multiple questions to analyze, and it's going to tell me what it's going to do. And now it is a more complex one, so it might take a little bit longer because it's trying to not only compare the funnel performance between new and existing customer, it's going to analyze it by the velocity and rates. And now it's going to search for the data dashboard where I can drill down into this report. And it's giving me my performance metrics and the insights, which I love. And here it's saying the bottom line is this is what's converting higher. This is what's going to have a faster deal velocity. And here's the recommendation on what you should do. Now, this has been game changing for me and my team because now we're able to analyze and assess the business much deeper than we have ever done, because sometimes I may ask questions for an analyst. They give me the data, but they don't give me always the analysis. And I don't even know what else to ask them to help guide them. And so with Spotter, I'm able to pinpoint where the gaps are, where the opportunities are in seconds. And this has been really, truly life-changing in how I run the business.